audience. Today I'll be showing you how to make Kool-Aid Play-Doh. Kool-Aid Play-Doh is a good alternative compared to regular Play-Doh because it gives your child an opportunity to have a hands-on experience making something, and it also gives them the reward of being able to play with the product that they had just created. Also, if you have younger kids or if you've ever babysat younger kids before, you know that everything that they've had in their hands, they like to put in their mouth. So you know that if you make this Play-Doh, it's safe if they do happen to put it in their mouth, just because all the ingredients that are in it you can find right in your kitchen. So let's get started. Some of the materials that you need would be a spoon, a cooking pot, measuring cups, which I have right here, and a stove, which is right behind me. The ingredients that you need would be 1 package of Kool-Aid mix. I'm choosing to use Tropical Punch, a cup of flour, 1/4 cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water. So the first step is you have to put all the ingredients into the bowl. So we'll do that. 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a cup of water, and then Kool-Aid mix. Next, you have to stir up all of the ingredients in the pot. I want to make sure that there's no clumps in it, so it might take a few minutes. Okay. So once you get it to about this texture, once all the clumps are out, you turn your stove on a medium temperature and you put the pot on the stove. You want to make sure that you keep stirring when it's on the stove, because if you let it sit, it'll start hardening at the bottom and it might burn. So it probably will take about 3 to 5 minutes for it to be completed on the stove. You'll start to notice that the Play-Doh will start to form into a ball. So once that happens, you can take out the Play-Doh and set it down on the table and let it cool off. It'll start to look like this. This is what it will look like once you get it out of the stove, off the stove. And once it cools down, you need to knead out all of the Play-Doh because there's going to be clumps in it that you need to get out. So, knead out all of the clumps. And then you need to use a plastic bag. You can use a size like this or a little bit bigger. And you put the Play-Doh that you just kneaded into the bag. And try to make it as airtight as possible. So if you need to, you can twist it, and if it's Ziploc, you can zip it as well. Just make sure it's airtight. Once that's completed, you put it in the fridge and let it cool for about 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, when it's cool, it's able to be used and played with. So thank you for watching.